Let's have a closer look at this product in closer detail. Here we're going to be looking at the 4-inch vintage rustic decorative bell cluster. In this video, we'll be looking at the close-up details, also why we decorated our front door with these bells, and at the end of the video, to listen how they sound. Here's what's helped me. To make installation easier, I suggest installing using hooks with double-sided sticky tape that's strong enough to hold this 1-pound cluster bell. This 4-piece cluster 4-inch brass Shabby Chic vintage Harmony Cowbells with sound are great for the rustic vintage look or for the holidays. Now let's look at closer detail. Includes wooden strikers inside the bells with a thick rustic jute rope. It's golden coated with brass color on iron metal bells, approximately 3 feet in length. Don't forget to listen at the end of the video on what these sound like. Now that we looked at the details, let's listen to what they really sound like. We actually got 2 rustic bell sets for the rustic vintage look. It's also a great addition for the holidays. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.